the last question on this paper, question 17, the word in bold is telling me what it's about. So it says similar. So that's telling me it's about similar shapes. So it says solid A and solid B. So this word solid is telling me that it's a 3D shape, okay, a similar. Solid A has a volume, okay, of 8,000 centimetres cubed and a height of 30. Solid B has a volume of 4,913. Calculate the height of solid B. Right, so I can work out the volume scale factor. So volume scale factor is equal to 8,000 divided by 4,913. I'm going to leave it as that. Okay, this is a question where you shouldn't round anything until the very end. Okay, so that's my volume scale factor. What I want to know is the height scale factor. Now the height scale factor is the cube root of this, because we know the volume and volume is cubed. So we would do the opposite, which is the cube root. So it's the cube root of 8,000 over 4,913. Okay, so that, whatever the answer to that is, I don't know if it's going to work out nicely, so let's have a little look. So it's the cube root of 8,000 over 4,913. So that gives me the answer of not a nice number, but I could put, let's put it as a fraction. So it equals 20 over 17. Okay, now I know the height of the bigger shape, so I'm going to the smaller shape, so I'm going to be dividing. Okay, so if we imagine, let's pretend it's a cylinder, okay, and we're going from the bigger shape, which is 30, to the smaller shape. So when we're using the scale factor, we would divide by 20 over 17. So I need to do 30 divided by 20 over 17. And if I put that in my calculator, 30 divided by, 20 over 17, and I press equals, and it gives me the answer of 25.5. So the height of solid B is 25.5 centimetres. Just remember, don't round any answers until the very end, otherwise you get a rounding error, and they do mark you down on this question for your rounding errors.